Hi everyone, I am Romina Kio of 10th grade and today I am going to show you how to do a dye compass. The materials that you need is a sewing needle, magnet, that I have this one, magnet, a cork, water and pliers. I'm going to tell you the steps. The first step is magnetize the needle. Have to do like that. Now, magnetize the other end with the reverse. Prepare the cork. Then insert the needle in the cork. Then fill a bowl with water, at least here, and test the compass. Okay, how to use. To gather your bearing to find out which direction you're headed. Focus on points in the distance. Transpose the direction of travel onto your map. Examples of this is when you are lost in the city or country, or in the mountains like Cotopaxi, Tungurahua, etc. And finally in the city too, because you don't know where is your family or your dog is lost, etc. Thank you.